If you have an EV, you're gonna love the RippleOn EV Level 2 charger. This provides super fast charging for your EV at the comfort of your own home, and it's very easy to install. You just connect this NEMA 1450 plug, and that's it. You're able to charge up to 40 amps with this charger. Now, if you choose to hardwire this with the hardwire version, it can charge even faster, up to 48 amps. And this can be put outside. It's IP65, so it's weatherproof. It's very easy to mount. It's just 4 screws, and you even have a template, so you can easily align the bolts to attach it. You even have 25 feet cord, so this cord allows you to easily charge your EV and be able to stretch between multiple EVs no matter where they are parked in your home. Love that feature. And you have a little bracket that holds this connector. If you mount this to the wall, you'll be able to hold it like this, and it's a nice way to mount your charger and your EV charger both on the wall. Very cool, very easy, and there's bracket mounting instructions here too, so all the layouts for it is super easy. These are the bolts that you use to mount them, and then they have 2 RFID cards. And by the way, this one is the J1772 connector that works on pretty much any EVs except Teslas. If you have a Tesla, you will need the J1772 to Tesla adapter. Connect this, and now you can charge your Tesla. Super simple, super easy. This one is a very fast charger, and like I said, it's got beautiful customizable LEDs. It has an app so that you can schedule and monitor your charging. 25 feet power cord, easy to install. And you also have customizable LED. This one is really nice to have in your home because it allows very, very fast charging. The RippleOn EV charger right here. Oh yeah.